If you've just signed up for kit.com and feel a bit overwhelmed, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what matters, what you can ignore for now, and how everything fits together so you can get started building your email list as soon as possible. Kit is a tool that helps you collect email subscribers, send emails to them, and build a relationship with your audience, whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or a small business. Think of it like this. People find you online. They join your email list, you email them regularly, and over time that turns into trust and income. What we love about Kit is that in those early days, while you're still growing your email list, it's completely free to use for up to 1,000 subscribers. So you have time to grow and connect with your audience, all while learning all about Kit and their amazing features without the pressure of a monthly cost to use their services. Before we click anything, here's the only flow you need to understand. 1. Create a form for your website or a landing page, not on your website. 2. People subscribe. 3. They get emails. 4. You stay in touch or sell something. Everything inside Kit supports this one simple process. Alright, this is the dashboard and the main menu bar. From here you can access all Kit's tools and features. This is your email list, your people. These are the individuals who have trusted you enough to give you their email. You can tag them, organize them, and understand who they are here. This is your core asset. No subscribers equals no business. Next, you have landing pages and forms. This is how people join your list. Forms go inside your website, while landing pages are standalone sign-up pages. So this is your entry point, the front door basically to your email list for visitors. Then there's your creator profile. This acts like a simple homepage inside Kit. Think of it like this. On social platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you only are allowed to have one clickable link in your profile. So instead of choosing just one thing like your website or your YouTube channel, you create a simple page here that holds everything important like your email sign up, your website address, your social links, your content, or your offers. In simple terms, it's like a single business card with information on how to connect with you in various ways. By no means do you have to use this, but it is a feature that's available. And finally, you have recommendations. This is a paid feature where other creators can recommend you and you can recommend them. It's a powerful way to grow your list without ads by tapping into other audiences. Next is send. This is where you can actually communicate with your audience. First, broadcasts. These are one-time emails. Your newsletter, updates, promotions. This is how you stay in touch regularly. Then sequences. Another paid feature, these are automated emails that go out in a set order. So for example, a welcome sequence that introduces people to you over a few days. You set the sequence of emails once and it runs in the background automatically when a person subscribes to your email list on that schedule that you've nominated. Next, email templates. These help save you time by giving you emails in a consistent structure and design. They're a great jumping off point too. And snippets, these are small reusable pieces of text, like your signature or call to action, so you don't have to keep rewriting them every time. After that comes automate. This is where things start working for you. You'll notice that all of these features are only available on paid plans though, and are a more advanced set of tools. As such, I'll dive into these features in more depth in later videos. Now let's move to earn. First, products. You can sell digital products, courses, or downloads directly through Kit here. And tips, as it sounds, this allows your audience to support you with small payments like donations. Then you have paid recommendations. This is a paid feature, so you can earn money by recommending other creators to your audience. And finally, payouts. This is where you track your earnings and see what you've made. The last menu item is help. The AI assistant is basically where you can write emails or generate ideas. So it's just something to bounce ideas off of and get a little assistance. The community will connect you with other creators on Facebook so you can learn and share ideas with each other there. Documentation gives you guides and tutorials if you get stuck. And Creator University offers more structured training to help you improve. A lot of these tools are helpful once you grow, but not when starting out. So we would suggest focusing on subscribers, landing pages and forms, and undersend broadcasts. Lastly, under your account name in the top right-hand corner, you'll find settings. The settings page gives you the option to update your own personal account settings. So in the next video, I'll show you how to establish basic account settings step by step, and you can check out that video here. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.